Hello and thank you for joining us. As you know, the food service offerings in your business play an important role for travelers when deciding where they want to stay. And a lot of those travelers are looking for more small plate offerings with new and unique ingredients. That's why Tyson FOODSERVICE is offering you Tyson fully cooked pulled chicken from our full portfolio of prepped and recipe-ready proteins. This product is the perfect way for you to explore the small plates trend with minimal risk and huge benefits. What makes it so great? Well, there are a number of features that make it extremely versatile to use in a wide array of menu applications, in ways that are uniquely yours. It's boneless, skinless, and low in sodium, so it can be seasoned however you choose and used in almost any dish, including things like soups, salads, center of plate options, and so much more. It's also fully cooked and pre-pulled to help minimize prep work and reduce labor costs. This allows you to spend the time you would normally be cooking chicken to truly shine with your guests by focusing on the things they notice, like on-trend flavors, forms, and fresh finishes. And as you would expect from Tyson FOODSERVICE, it's a high-quality, all-natural, and minimally processed protein with no artificial ingredients. So you know you'll be serving the kind of quality you and your guests will truly appreciate. But how can it really come to life? Here's just a taste of what you can create with this product. Smoky chicken natural fusion makes for a great small plate because it leaves a lot of room for versatility and creativity. The entire flavor and inspiration can be changed with just a few ingredients, like pickled purple cabbage or roasted shishito peppers. Or you could plate up something like British-style chicken flatbread. British dishes often hit that sweet spot of offering recognizable ingredients and flavors like roasted chicken, gorgonzola, and brown ale, but in a new combination that will really capture your guests' attention. And don't worry, you can find a lot more inspiration just like this on the Tyson FOODSERVICE website. In addition to small plates, now is a great time to build out your grab-and-go snacking portfolio with exciting individually wrapped products. And Tyson FOODSERVICE has you covered there too. You can make the most from this growing demand for faster and contactless menu options with the products and brands that you and your customers already know and love. Everything from popular Jimmy Dean grab-and-go products and Hillshire snacking small plates to an extensive assortment of hot and cold individually wrapped sandwiches. Regardless of which small plates or grab-and-go products you choose to offer your guests, Tyson FOODSERVICE is always here to help and support you with on-trend menu ideas and solutions everyone will appreciate. Thank you so much for your time.